Greetings everyone, we're up at All Saints Churchyard and we are deadwooding again. Yeah, so turn you around. That one's fallen off in the recent high winds. I found this trug ready for chucking away, so I've pressed that into action. I've gradually cleared this area. Quite a lot of kindling to come out of that, and obviously that large log. Just tracking over here. They're no good to me because they are vines. Where does all the soil go when you dig a grave? Well, it goes into this bund over here. Here. I had a bit of a tidy up on this compost pile. I need to do more work on that to get rid of the plastic. But earlier in the week, I did some foraging, and this is the next project to cut and process. And actually looking at this, it's almost too good for firewood because there's some oak boughs there, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. Yeah, it's just all out from this pile here. Just don't know why people, the gardeners, just dump it. So lazy. Anyway, catch you in a bit. Right, let's get processing. This bench makes for a rather superb sawhorse. Now I'm probably not gonna be able to film and cut, but you get the process. This is quite a good one. Quite a lot of spindly stuff on it, but if I turn you around, I don't know whether you can see that. That's probably, I don't know, 10 centimeters. Obviously gets spindly, but that was just dumped. So let's get that one all processed. I couldn't resist filming Bruno. He seems to also be processing his sticks. By the looks of it, he's got a few there. He's such a patient dog. I'll take him on a longer walk. I'll hide the trolley and then take him on a longer walk in a minute. Good boy, Bruno. I'm not sure if this piece here, I don't know whether you can see this, is bone oak. So let's turn you around again. Let's lay it down. It looks as though it could be oak, so all the bark has been slowly eaten away, just leaving the heartwood. So we'll see how this cuts up. Oak is quite tricky to, oak's quite tricky to cut because it's such a hardwood. Anyway, also got this one. Just thinking about, that's certainly not oak, but it's quite crumbly, but we'll give it a go anyway. So, been cutting for about 45 minutes and we've got quite a good haul. We've got some mixed, obviously we've got some oak, that one needs seasoning, and I'm just picking up the last bits because I processed them up there. So next thing is to park up the trolley. I'm really worn out actually. I'm thirsty, so anyway. Oh, what's that up there? Bird. Yeah, so that is a typical sort of an hour's work, probably for about 2 weeks heat, I would say. And also tidying up the churchyard, I hope, while leaving it in a better state than it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one, and catch you later. Then. Come on, being nosy.